Python, when you import a package, okay, then its function is available in your program. We see about that in today's video. Let's move to the computer screen, and now let's get started. In today's Python class, I'm gonna telling you how importing in Python works. So now I will tell you. Importing in Python in a process. Importing a Python works is the process of loading code from a Python module into the current script. This allows you to use the function and variable defined in the module in the current script, as well as any additional module that the imported module may depend on the import the module in Python. You use the import statement followed by the name of the module. For example, I will tell you one example. Import the math module, which contains a variety of mathematical functions. You will use the following statement. And here's the statement, import math. Here you can see it is one example. Once a module it is one example, I will be comment out it. This is our first example, okay? Once a module is imported, you can use any of the function and variable defined in the module by using the dot notation. For example, to use the squared function from the math module, you would write here is one example. I will be copy it and I will be paste it. I will be run it. So result should be SQRT should be 3.0. And why 3.0? Why 3.0? I will be there. So I will be write here SQRT should be 10. And the answer will be coming the change, okay? And whenever I will be write 1, so answer will come in the change. You will be see the answer coming to the 1.0, and whenever I will write 5, so answer will come in the 2.236, and it is very easy. And I will be tell you up into the y, it is coming like that number. I will be tell you into the up, and whenever I will be write 5,000, so it will not give the error, it will give the answer. Okay, it is very easy. And now from keyword. And now I will tell you from keyword. You can also import a specific function or variable from a module using the from keyword. Okay, you will be also import to the module and variable using the from keyword. For example, to import only the SQRT function from the main math module, you will write from math import as one example. And I will do first of all what you can do, comment out it, and here I will be also comment out it and comment out it, because I will tell you all that. So that's why I will be comment. And now I will be paste, and here I will write from math import SQRT. So the result will come 3.0. Why 3.0 is coming? Because here is the 9. And whenever I will be writing 90, so you will be see it. It is a very simple math, and who knows how to use a math? So it is very easy for you who knows a very genius in the math. So it is very easy for human who know the math into the math is very genius. You can also import multiple functions, okay, or variables at once by separating them with a comma, okay. Here is one example. I will be first of all what we can do. Here I will be go and here and here. Comment out this and space it. And now I will be paste it. So the output will come 3.141 and 5926535897793. I will be run it. So you will see it. The answer will come in the change. And first it should be 3.0, and the second should be right like that. So it is very easy. And now I will tell you like that. Importing everything. It can also possible to import all function and variable from our module using the wildcard. However, this is generally not recommended, as it can lead to confusion and make it harder to understand where specific function and variables are coming from. And here is one example also. So I will be comment out it that. Okay. Here I will be comment out. Sorry. Here I will go. Here I will go. And here I will go. And comment out. Okay. So that is simple. And now I will be copied and here I will be pasted. Like I will run it. So here I will go. So the output will come 3.0. Here you can see it is very easy. You will be import one. I will tell you 3 examples how to import everything. Like first example, I will be telling you like that of how to importing, and I will tell you second example should be a from keyword, and there are many examples I will give you. And third example should be importing everything, and it is very simple. Python allow you to rename important modules using the as a keyword. This can be useful if you want to use a shorter or more directed name for a module, or if you want to avoid naming conflicts and with other modules or variables in your code. Okay, so it is very easy. So now I will tell you our example. I will tell you one example, 2 and 3, and come to the 4th example. So how and there are 4 examples of the as keyword, and here is giving the example. Like I will be first of all what you can do, comment out it, and like I will be copy it and paste it like that, and like I will be run it. So answer will come 3.0 and same. This is a 4th way to import everything, and I will tell you the dir function how to import into the 5th time, the dir function. Finally, Python I built the built-in function called dir. Okay, the built-in function called the dir that you can use to view the names of all the function and variable defined in a module. In the module that can be helpful for exploring and understanding the contents of a new module. And here is the example you will be copied and you will be pasted also. Okay, this will output of a list of all names defined in the math module including functions like sqrt and pi as well as other variables and constants. In summary, the import statement in Python allow you to access the function and variable defined in a module from within your current script. You can import the entire module, specific function or variables, or use the wildcard to import everything. And here you can see this is I will tell you all things. You can also use the as keyword to rename a module and the dir function to view the contents of module. So it is the end of the video, and I will tell you all things I will tell you many ways how to import the how importing in Python works. I will tell you many examples, and I will be tell you all things where I will be shared, and you will be go to my and you will not follow me on my social medias like Facebook page, LinkedIn, Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram, and GitHub. So go and follow it. And into the GitHub, I will give you source code of my project, what I will building in like number guessing game, rock paper scissors, and I will give you into the link into the description. Go and follow me on my all my social media platforms. Okay, so I will be meeting you next class. And next very amazing class of project. Okay, because I will be telling you next class. In previous class I will tell you like first video is coming to the first morning video into the morning videos coming onto the project, and to the evening the videos coming onto the tutorial. Okay, and what is surprise I will be telling you in my community, and I will be uploading my shorts also. Go and see it shorts. I will be uploading shorts also daily. Okay, so now I will meet you in next class at next very amazing class of project of Python. So now for today, goodbye.
Te preocupa se ele te bota, saca, 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 sem nem se preocupa se ele